Welcome to this small product demo video production tutorial video. This video is specifically designed for people who sell online and will describe how to achieve great product demo videos by using a smartphone. You may be wondering if a smartphone is enough to achieve a good product demo video. The simple answer is yes, and I will show you exactly how to do it in this tutorial video. To produce your small product videos, you will need your smartphone, a mobile tripod, a simple background, one simple light stand which we will use as a tripod, and a light source such as a window or some small lights. You can also choose to invest in a simple slider. First, let's set up our DIY video production studio space now. In this video, we will create a white infinity curve background. An infinity curve background is an all-white background with no edges, designed to give the impression that the background extends to infinity. To create such a background, you will need a table and a wall. Ideally, your table should be placed near a window so that the window light comes in from the left or right-hand side. You will also need one piece of white cardboard paper. Some white cardboard papers can have a blue tone. Please try avoiding those and try getting pure white cardboard paper instead. To create this DIY infinity curve background, I am simply attaching one of my white cardboard papers to a wall using some tape. I let the paper hang in a curved way and attach the other end to the tabletop using another piece of tape. Now we have achieved the infinity curve background we were looking for. Now, let's place our product on top of this background. Now that our background is set up and ready, let's see what we can do about lighting. Lighting is a very important part of video production because when a video subject is well lit, it will instantly look much more professional. Typically, smartphones will not make good video in low light conditions, so you must make sure you have enough light falling on your product. Today, we will be shooting indoors and we are taking advantage of the window light. But as you can see now, our window light is falling mainly on one side of the product and the other side is in shadow. We can soften this shadow and give some extra light on the side by using a simple video light like this. Alternatively, you can use two video lights, one on each side like this. Now that the product is properly set on the background and properly lit, let's take care about another important aspect of any video production: stabilization. Few things are more annoying to an audience than watching a shaky and jittery video. So let's make sure our product demo video is stable and clear. You can do this very easily by using a simple mobile tripod like this. Now that our background and lighting is set up, and we have also taken care of the stabilization, let's see how we can add some smooth movement to our video. Adding some smooth movement to your video can help your customers to better see and fully appreciate your product. Also, it just looks very good, and it adds a certain energy to your video that would not otherwise be there. We will use two tools to add some movement to our shot. First, we will use our mobile tripod. In this case, we will just use two of the three legs and we will rock our smartphone backwards and forwards, and that will create for us some nice in and out movement in the footage. Second, we can also use a small camera slider. You can get one like this affordably online. You attach your smartphone camera to the slider like this, and then you can go from side to side like this. Another way to make your product demo video more interesting is to show your product in action. It will make your customers feel confident that your product is exactly what they are looking for, and that it will do exactly what they expect it to do. Now that we have taken all the shots that we want, we still need to edit the video as well as optimize it and upload it into our e-commerce website. To learn how to do it, watch our next videos about these topics.